Hey there, my name's Nader and welcome to Redfern Kennels in Peterborough, Ontario. Now, opening a dog kennel isn't the most popular business in the world. Not many people are talking about it, which is why I wanted to make you a video to teach you exactly how you can open a dog kennel, especially if you're an animal lover and you've struggled with finding a guide on how to do this. I will walk you through everything step by step. A little bit about us. My family and I, we moved here, 9 years ago to little Lakefield, Peterborough, Ontario area, and we didn't have much. We slept in one room for the first year in order to build the house around us, and we built this kennel from the ground up. We obtained the permits, we registered the business, we got the clients, we've retained the clients, and we're growing. So it's my goal to show you how to do the exact same thing, and if you have a budget, it's definitely going to help you. But even if this is something you want to consider in the future, or something later on in your life, maybe you're going to school right now, you want to do, because you can be an entrepreneur in the pet business. You don't have to be a vet. It's ultra competitive, school is tough, maybe you want to do both. But either way, this guide is going to help you and show you everything you need. So stick with this course, let's move through it, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help you in the Q&A section at any time. Again, my name's Nader, and I'm here to help you.